Do you know the steps that you need to take between now and retirement? Are you using appropriate tax strategies to minimize your tax burden before you retire? Hi, my name is Tron Welch, and I've been teaching wealth creation today at the CU Boulder Wolf Law Building for over 5 years. Join our upcoming workshop this fall. We cover critical topics that you need to know, such as appropriate investments, tax strategies, Roth conversions that can help or hurt, the barriers to wealth accumulation, and choosing between like a traditional or Roth 401k. Too many people get this wrong, and so we want to set it straight in an educational environment to get you in the right spot. These are the exact same strategies that we use in our financial planning office on a day-to-day basis. Our class is designed for people that are about 15 to 20 years away from retirement. Class size is 15 or fewer people to make sure that your questions and your topics that you're interested in will get fully addressed. Please click on the link and sign up today. I look forward to seeing you at the workshop. Thank you.